In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn a photo into a sketch in Canva using the Sketchify effect. By the end, you'll have a clean, artistic sketch version of any image, perfect for social posts, thumbnails, or quick mock-ups. We'll start by opening the Canva app and creating a new design. Tap. Create a design and pick the format that suits your goal. An Instagram post is a great square option, but you can also choose a custom size if you already know the exact dimensions you need. Matching the final destination of your image now helps you avoid awkward cropping later, and it keeps your layout consistent from the start. With the canvas ready, it's time to bring in your photo. Tap the plus icon to open Add, go to Uploads, and then Upload Media. Select the photo you want to convert into a sketch from your device's gallery. A quick tip: images with good lighting and clear edges tend to sketch more cleanly, and higher resolution photos usually produce sharper line work. Once the photo finishes uploading, tap it to place it directly onto your canvas. You can drag to reposition and use the corner handles to resize without stretching the image. If you need to fill the entire canvas, enlarge the photo until it covers the background and adjust so the subject sits comfortably in frame. Canva's smart guides help you center your image, which is especially helpful for portraits or product shots. If something looks off, just pinch to zoom and fine-tune the placement before applying any effects. Now for the fun part, converting it to a sketch. Tap the photo to select it, then choose Edit Image. Scroll to Apps or More and find Sketchify. Tap it, and Canva will automatically process the image and turn it into a clean, hand-drawn style sketch. Give it a moment to render. If you don't see the option right away, use the search within that panel to locate Sketchify. Depending on your device and the photo's size, the conversion might take a few seconds, totally normal. After it applies, you can keep adjusting the photo's size and position on the canvas to suit your layout. If the effect looks too strong or not quite right for the subject, try a different variation within Sketchify if available, or simply use Undo to roll back and reapply. The effect is non-destructive, so you can revisit Edit Image at any time to tweak or remove it. And that's it. Open Canva, upload your photo, place it on the canvas, and apply Sketchify to transform it into a sketch. Pause and follow along as needed, and enjoy creating your new stylized image.